Mr. Gray here. Today we're going to briefly discuss the Air Jordan 11 Bred. I was fortunate enough to get exclusive access, and I'm more than honored to share the spoils of my fortune with you. I wouldn't necessarily call this a review. Let's be honest, the Jordan 11 isn't something that's new to us. It's been inspected and dissected by many for years up to this date. The original Air Jordan 11 Bred dropped in 1996. And it holds a special place in sneaker culture and basketball history. Michael Jordan was wearing the Air Jordan 11 Bred in 1996 when the Chicago Bulls defeated the Seattle Supersonics 87-75 in Game 6 of the NBA Finals to claim their fourth title in 6 years. Jordan left the floor and was found crying in the locker room. For the first time in his life, Jordan, who was named MVP of the All-Star Game, regular season, and finals in the same year, partook in a championship celebration without his father. The Air Jordan 11 Bred, after 1996, dropped 3 more times after the original release date. It dropped in 2001, 2008, and 2012. After a 7-year hiatus, it will now be releasing once more on December 14th, 2019. So, where will the Air Jordan 11 be available? To be honest, the easier question to ask is, where won't the Air Jordan 11 Breds be available? So first of all, let's go with the release date and time. It will release on December 14th at 10 a.m. in the following stores: Dick's Sporting Goods, Seek, not sure if I said that correctly, or Chic, East Bay, Foot Action, Finish Line, Foot Locker, JD Sports, DTLR Villa, Shoe Palace, Jimmy Jazz, Shop Nice Kicks, Hibbett, and of course, it's going to release on the Nike Sneakers app. No, guys, this is not a reseller's weekend. This is an abundant general release that will be most welcome, if not by most sneakerheads, by all sneaker aficionados. So some of the questions I hear people asking is, just how saturated is the market going to be? Well, the Jordan Nike camp has remained pretty tight-lipped on stock numbers. I've heard everything from 500,000 all the way up to 2 million. Who knows, guys? It's fair to say that if you want a pair, you'll be able to get a pair. I would wish you guys luck for this sneaker drop, but you seriously won't need it. So, see you guys soon. Mr. Gray out.